The Emirate of Fujairah is located on the eastern part of the United Arab Emirates, and it is characterized by its view on the Gulf of Oman and the Arabian Gulf, where it has a special coast. The terrain of this emirate is characterized by a variety of mountains, flatlands and coasts, and has a distinct climate from the rest of the emirates of the state. The UAE strategic vision aims to achieve a perfect leadership in the field of sustainable development. The adoption of knowledge and innovation is a basic pillar for developing the national economy, having the ability to confront environmental disasters, stimulating national employment, preserving natural resources. Based on this vision, Fujairah Natural Resources Corporation is inspiring its development plan that is steadily supporting the competitive knowledge development channels, sustainable development and renewable energy within the concept of the economy that looks after the environment, maintaining the economic growth, that is adopting the creative thinking to create initiatives, new markets and effective ideas, as well as getting benefits from wide evolution, including the new techniques and digital transformation. The corporation's keenness on providing community services to citizens is a fundamental objective, including the expansion of flat land suitable for construction, after the removal of mountains, as well as the distribution of landfill materials used in the settlement and reconstruction work. The inauguration of the Fujairah Natural Resources Foundation is only a step within the horizons of the achievements and successes of the past 10 years. The Emirate of Fujairah is considered a geological museum. It is distinguished by the fact that it contains the most important types of igneous and sedimentary rocks, where the sedimentary part of it is located in the northwest of the emirate and consists of the sedimentation of limestone, dolomite, mudstone, flint and sandy sediment. The igneous part of most of its land, they are mafic rocks and ultramafic rocks. The most important igneous rock forming the rocky environment of the emirate is gabbro, which is characterized by the presence of plagioclase and pyroxene elements, where it forms a part of the aphyolite sequence, which is increasingly being exploited rate per year. Due to the strong durability of gabbro, it has become one of the most suitable material used in the production of precast concrete and paving processes. It is noticed in the infrastructure of the UAE in terms of hardness, strength and long lifespan of the roads. These materials are also used in many industries, including the manufacture of bricks and tiles. The land of the emirate also has the basalt rocks, which are characterized by hardness, low thermal conductivity and non-flammability. The rock wool is being produced from it. Because of its ability for thermal isolation, it has been working to establish a plant for basalt fibers in the Emirate of Fujairah, because of the availability of the circumstances that meet the needs of this industry and its requirement, as well as the presence of limestone, which is characterized by high purity and high concentrations of calcium carbonate, with stock reserve proportional to an annual increment, made it an essential element in many industries, especially cement industry. Also, it has been working to establish a factory producing calcium oxide to be an added value for raw materials and other industry depending on it directly, in addition to its current uses including bricks, ornamental works, metal fillings, paints and auxiliary materials and smelting of iron and steel. The economic importance of mudstones is no less than that of other raw material, where it is rich in silicate and aluminum minerals, and this made it partake the limestone materials in several industries, the most important of which is the cement industry, and the manufacturing of clay bricks. as a result of the multiplicity of industries based on these materials. Fujairah Natural Resources Corporation has been very interested in providing an investment climate to exploit the mineral wealth of the emirate, to facilitate the exploitation, production and export at competitive prices to the global markets, and to encourage mining investment by facilitating the application, procedures and the single window system, and the provision of infrastructure from multiple ports such as the Port of Fujairah, the Port of Dibaa, Al-Qasar Bay, and advanced international communication networks. In addition, a mining investment guide has been issued for the Emirate of Fujairah to create media windows where investors in the mining sector see a clear picture of Fujairah's mineral wealth. All this is done in accordance with a value-based system adorned by our generous home country, where the noble manners are racing on the ladder of humanity to achieve the high grades.